Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Lelit Marmex with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues, mainly that the machine wasn't heating. Once we took apart the machine, we found that there was a leak from prior repair that was causing the machine to short, or the safety switch to pop. And so we ended up taking off all of the connectors on the top of the machine, resealing all of them, putting it back together, replacing any sort of damaged parts if any. And also we did, just for secondary repair, we did replace the relay on the machine to make sure that that wasn't causing issues at all. And so yeah, now we are going to quickly brew. You can see we're up to temp. I am using this machine on Steam X mode just to kind of, show off the steam power. We are going to start brewing. We're going to let this slow brewing pump slowly push up. On the Mara X's, they do have a specified or specific Olka pump that allows you to do that. Looking good, a little fast. I didn't put too much coffee in there. Looking really good though. Of course, you do have the steam. Again, we are on Steam X mode. Really good steam out of the machine. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.